For micro dispensing, there is one product line that is proven and trusted by manufacturers in semiconductor packaging, electronics assembly, medical device, and electromechanical assembly the world over. DL Technology, superior pumps and needles for the finer things in life.
Welcome to the Essemtec booth here at Productronica. I'm delighted to be joined by Pierre Marcel. Nice to see you, Pierre.
Hey Trevor, always a pleasure to be with you.
Well, you're a man with a smile on your face, and you've got good reason to have a smile on your face.
Yes, because I think, the last 8 years have been fascinating with Essemtec, and I think quite a very interesting milestone has been taken just a couple of weeks ago, and there is now a lot of excitement, a lot of stimulations, a lot of ideas and visions. Let's not stick too long on the honeymoon. We have to come back and work. But I think we are definitively scaling up our means, and probably you will share it. The last 8 years with Essemtec, I think we have proven that we are quite serious, quite delivering, quite innovating, and really, I think we have done quite a serious path since.
Yeah, and you do it for the little guy too. You do it for the tier 3s and the tier 4s.
Yes.
Yeah, so that's great.
It has been just on this one, it's a very important point.
Yeah.
More and more we're serving tier 1, large companies, really big names.
Okay.
But it's very important to stress that we don't want to forget about our traditional base, and our customers.
Yeah.
Again, it's stretching our bandwidth and also our, capabilities. But clearly, we want to keep all our customers. We will to continue with them, and just expanding with them.
Right. So, as we mentioned earlier, I mean, you're always innovating, and so let's start talking about some of the new technologies that you've got on display this week.
Yes.
Behind us here, we've got a pick and place system, but it's working with flexible foils or flexible thing. Trying to explain to our viewers a little bit about how this system works. And how the end result comes out.
Okay, here effectively we have the Puma. So the Puma is not a new machine, the Puma, and by using our very unique combination, dispensing and placement, we are doing here flexible substrates, foils, and of course, in fact, from a traditional Puma, you just need one single accessory, which is the vacuum table.
Right.
All the rest is the same machine. So you can really move from a flexible foil back to rigid PCBs, and back and forth.
So it's interchangeable. So it's just the vacuum table to suck the foil
Correct,
down on.
Because during the process and mostly for the dispensing, you have to really control, the Z-axis, the height. We have, it's a bit too early to go a bit specific on that, but we are teaming up now on the project with reel-to-reel, so that's the next expansion on this flexible foils or flexible substrate. Yeah. So very exciting. But
you also do something quite interesting with it when it comes out the other end. You've been doing some thermal forming.
Yes.
Explain a little bit about the benefits of that.
So the thermal forming, in fact, is one of the next steps that you can do or apply with flexible substrates or foils. It's not done by ourselves, our customers, but in fact they are inventing some 3D structures. They are just processing them SMT-wise flat, and then at the end they give a shape. Right. Typically, more and more in the car interiors, you see very cool designs and very cool, technologies, and everything is with the LEDs and soft touch and so on. And we have a service push, and it's all based on these printed electronics. Right. But then shaping the foil to...
They have to fit the dashboards or in behind the dashboards on the cars and this type of thing.
Yes.
Excellent.
Also on the foil, if I stick to the foil, you have also a lot of control panels, membrane switches and so on, where effectively all these soft buttons will need just something, nice and not just hard. And I think we have been in foil since already, 6-7 years already. Okay. But now we are just integrating better vacuum table, it's all controlled by the software and so on.
Excellent, great. Well, it's nice to see. I wish you every success with it.
Thank you.
And I know you said earlier that you're going to do a bigger push into the United States, so hopefully we'll be able to hear more from you at Apex in a couple of months.
Sure, let's meet there. You will see. You will be stunned.
Okay. Thank you, Pierre.
Thank
Appreciate
you, Trevor.
it. Okay.
Thank you very much.
Okay.